Hi folks, been here with Pierre driving school. Our early morning covering driving lesson. The question today: are all the wood test sites are the same? Are all the wood test sites are the same? All right, this is the lesson for today. We're gonna answer this. We've done video regarding this already, but like I said here in this channel, we are all in about driving. Any questions that you guys have, we will answer it in a video format. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification squad, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And no, all the wood test sites are not the same. Let me say it correctly. Are all the wood test sites are the same? No, all the wood test sites are not the same. However, the wood test is the same wherever you're taking it, if that makes sense. All the wood test sites, they are not the same, but the wood test is the same wherever you're taking it. Let me explain. Wherever you take your wood test site, you will have to do 3% parallel parking left and right. And comment in the comment, put your comment in the description below to let me know if you agree with me. All the wood test sites are not the same, but the wood test is the same wherever you're taking the wood test. All right. Per se, I should say in Brooklyn. I don't know about anywhere else because this is where I live here. The wood test site, all the sites are in Brooklyn. In Brooklyn, they are the same wood test layout. All right. 3-point turn, parallel parking, left and right turn, and driving into traffic. Observation. Those are the layout. There's no around it. Certain wood tests may not be the same because in the site layout that I understand, Starlight City is not the same as Beverly Wood. Okay, Seaview is not the same as Ditmas Avenue. Okay, Coney Island is not the same as Red Hook. These are the Brooklyn site I'm calling here. See what I'm saying? So if we go further, there's other wood test site. They are also not the same, but the wood test layout, the thing they offer you to do at the wood test, it is the same thing all across the New York area. I can say, all across New York, all the instructions are the same. There is nothing different than that. This is one thing that's standard. All right. So I want to answer that because we got many students that are asking that. Like we said in this channel, we are all about answering questions. So I said, let me address that on a question. And if you have any question you want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from the question you guys are asking. All right. So with that aside, we're gonna continue as we do every morning with our lesson, right? And you guys, like I was saying, thank you very much. The other day, a student let me see something in the comment I didn't see. I'm gonna be looking out for that. As I said, when I'm driving, there's a lot of variable that I have to pay attention for. If when you're sitting watching this video, you got a better view than I can. So if you see something that I've missed, let me know in the comment below. So next time when I'm doing lesson, when I'm doing a video, so I can look out for those things. Remember, each one help one. Your participation in this channel very much helped me to get it to the position that we are now, and we continue to grow because of your help. All right. So if you're new here again, you may consider to subscribe. Okay, we're gonna keep it going here. Today's on a Sunday morning. It's 5:48 a.m. When it's early morning like that, especially on the weekend, when the light turns green, as you're crossing the street, you need to pay a little attention so you don't get surprising. People coming from party, people jog, all of that jazz. You have to be mindful and pay attention for those things. Like if you notice, when I'm going, I keep looking first. Even the light is green, I want to make sure those things are clear because you'll be shocked to see things that you weren't expecting to see. Making a full stop here. First stop here. Okay. Second stop at the center here. Okay. Then we continue to go from here. And your 4 lane, left is clear. To the closest lane you turn into. And by yourself, you signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, go over to the right, because student must always be on the right side of the wood. That's a wood test tip. All right, student must always be on the right turn here, mirror right, shoulder right. Student must always be on the right side of the road. It's kind of cold this morning here. If you guys have, if you've done your wood test already, let me know. Share with me where did you do your wood test here in Brooklyn. I'm always curious to know. And if you have a wood test coming up, where will your wood test be? And if you're in New York City. All right, so if you're ready, you have to take your wood test. You want to make sure that your wood test ready. You can check the link and you can check the link below. You can get a mock wood test, so we can evaluate you here to give you an idea where you stand for your wood test and honest opinion. Then from there you can adjust yourself. Oftentimes, it's not about driving; it's being wood test ready, right? Drive, yes. Are you wood test ready? Is the next question you have to pay attention to make sure that you wood test ready. If you can answer that, then that's a good way of you to go take your wood test. Because remember, it's not about driving; it's about how they want you and I to drive to pass the test. The minute that we do that, changes everything. I want to make sure I don't want to make sure that I share that with you. See how bright is the car in front of me, guys? Yep. Are all wood test sites are the same? Is the question we're discussing for this morning. All right, so like, share, and subscribe. Let me know anything you want me to cover in particular as we cover, as we open up our, you guys boarding our library with the question that you guys ask. I love early morning, folks. Let me know about you guys. I like to get things done early morning, way early morning. Every day, no matter what, 4 o'clock, I'm up. Every single day for the past 14 years. 4 a.m., I'm up getting things done. I like to get things done early, especially living in New York City. Try to avoid the wash as much as possible. Let me know what you like to do in terms of that, but I do love that. Guys, pricing here, guys, in Brooklyn is going back up again. Let me know in your state that you're living in, as the guys is trading you. If you're living in New York, upstate or whatnot, but the guys pricing here is going right back up. Right? We do guys here every morning, or every morning we do guys, or every time we go and end, depending on the time we close and we end in the day. All right. Folks, there you have it. This Ben here with Pierre Driving School. The lessons for today are all the wood test sites are the same. We answer that in a video format, and you guys know if you have any questions, anything you want me to cover in particular, what to do, as most of our videos most of our video topic coming from the question that you guys ask me. Until then, guys, keep practicing. Understand that driving requires some strong responsibility. It is you and I duty to make sure to educate ourselves, and as much as we can helping someone to get the driving license in the US is one of the greatest gifts you can give them one way or another. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. I'm going to go ahead and put some guys in this car and get ready again to have another day. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.